Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you planning to buy a new home or sell your current one? Home inspections are crucial in identifying potential issues before they become major headaches. In this video, we highlight the major defects you should be on the lookout for during home inspections. From structural problems to electrical issues, we cover everything you need to know to make informed decisions. Don't let hidden defects catch you off guard. So, you found the perfect home, or so it seems. The location is ideal, the price is right, and it feels like a dream come true. But before you pop the champagne, there's one crucial step you can't afford to skip: the home inspection. This is your chance to uncover any hidden defects that could turn your dream home into a never-ending money pit. Let's start with one of the most serious issues: foundation problems. The foundation is literally what your home is built on, so any issues here can be a huge red flag. Common signs of foundation problems include cracks in the walls or floors, doors that stick, or windows that won't open. These issues can lead to structural instability and be incredibly costly to repair. If your inspector finds foundation problems, it's time to pause and seriously consider the potential costs involved. Next up, roofing issues. A damaged or aging roof can lead to leaks, water damage, and even mold growth. During the inspection, look out for missing or broken shingles, sagging areas, or any signs of water damage on the ceilings inside the house. A roof replacement is one of the most expensive repairs a homeowner can face, so make sure you know what you're getting into. Speaking of water, plumbing problems are another major concern. Leaky pipes, low water pressure, and water stains can indicate bigger issues lurking behind the walls. Over time, unchecked plumbing problems can lead to significant water damage, mold growth, and even structural issues. An inspector will check for leaks, test the water pressure, and examine the condition of the pipes to ensure everything is functioning properly. Now let's talk about electrical systems. Faulty wiring is not just an inconvenience, it's a safety hazard. Outdated wiring, overloaded circuits, or poorly done DIY repairs can lead to electrical fires. Your inspector will check the electrical panel, outlets, and wiring to make sure everything is up to code. If you're buying an older home, this is especially important because older wiring may not meet modern safety standards. Another area to keep an eye on is HVAC systems. That's your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. A malfunctioning HVAC system can lead to uncomfortable living conditions and high energy bills. During the inspection, the HVAC system will be tested to ensure it's heating and cooling properly. If the system is old or in poor condition, you might need to factor in the cost of replacement. Now let's discuss moisture and mold. Mold can be a sneaky problem because it often grows in places you can't easily see, like behind walls or under floors. It's not just unsightly, it's a serious health hazard, especially for people with allergies or respiratory issues. High humidity, leaks, or water damage can create the perfect environment for mold to thrive. Your inspector will look for signs of moisture and mold, so you can address any issues before they become a bigger problem. And let's not forget about pest infestations. Termites, rodents, and other pests can cause extensive damage to a home if not dealt with promptly. Termites, in particular, can chew through wood and cause significant structural damage. An inspector will check for signs of infestations, such as droppings, damaged wood, or mud tubes. If any pests are found, you'll want to bring in a specialist to assess the extent of the damage and the cost of treatment. Finally, there's the issue of environmental hazards. Depending on the age and location of the home, there may be concerns about lead paint, asbestos, or radon. These materials were commonly used in older homes and can pose serious health risks. Your inspector can test for these hazards and recommend the best course of action if they're present. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and a thorough home inspection is your best defense against unexpected surprises. Remember, a good inspector will help you understand the condition of the home and give you the information you need to make an informed decision. So, before you sign on the dotted line, make sure you're fully aware of any potential issues that could be lurking beneath the surface. Your dream home shouldn't turn into a nightmare. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable insights on home buying and maintenance.